Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to turn an iPhone into a dumb phone for kids. So this is the iPhone that I will turn into a dumb phone, and this is an example of the dumb phone that this iPhone will turn into. Okay, the first step, go to settings, then return to this settings page and scroll down to accessibility, click on it. Now look for assistive access. This is it below general. Now click on setup assistive access. Set up assistive access, select apps and customize options for the person who will be using assistive access on this iPhone. Click on continue. After that, you can either go continue with your Apple iCloud account, or change it. I will go with continue. Now you can select between this appearance or this one. I think I will go with the grid. Click on continue. And here you can start adding the apps that you want to access on the dumb phone mode. For example, I want only to add calls and messages. Receive messages, you can select between just favorite, contacts, or anyone. And you can also scroll down to send messages to. You can also select between favorites or contacts. And here you can start adding contacts to your favorites list. There are multiple options that you need to scroll down to access them. After that, click on continue. Now that I've added my selected apps for my dumb phone. You can also add a calculator, for example, calendar, clock, compass, contacts, files. I think this is all the list of the available apps on this iPhone. Click on continue. Using assistive access, there are some differences in how iOS features work in assistive access. Emergency services, triple click the side buttons to access emergency calling. Other automated emergency calling features may not be available. For notifications from apps, app notifications appear as badges. Exit assistive access to view notifications and software updates. For privacy information, data access permissions and status icons such as location indicators may not be available. So click on continue. Here a passcode has been set up for this iPhone. Confirm the primary. Here you can either change security settings or continue. I think I will continue. I think they already here they will ask you to create a 4 digits passcode. Set it and click on continue. My bad. This is the step when I need to set my assistive access passcode. So I will go with 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat the same passcode. Get help if you forget your assistive access passcode. Here you can set a recovery Apple account or go with not now. I will go with not now. Exiting assistive access, triple click the side buttons, then enter the assistive access passcode to turn off assistive access when you need to switch back to the smartphone. Click on continue. Assistive access is ready to use. You can make changes to assistive access from settings at any time. Click on start using assistive access. In my case, this iPhone screen that you are seeing now, it is not my real iPhone screen. It is my iPhone on connected to my laptop. So this is why this blue start using assistive access button is not working. But I've tried this directly on my iPhone screen, and it landed me on this dumb phone my smartphone into this dumb phone. And to exit or to switch back to the smartphone, just tap 3 times on the power button and fill in your passcode, and you will return back to the smartphone like this. And this is how to switch your iPhone into a dumb phone for kids. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.